Today we are our new listing at 1700 South Bayshore Lane, Unit 4A. This is a boutique building, only 10 units on the bay. It's just amazing lifestyle, and I'm gonna show you around.
What I love about the unit is the private elevator comes right into this space. And as you can see, you have enough room for your dining area. You've got a really nice area here, a nice big living room with a view of the bay that's unparalleled. It just feels so private. You don't hear any noise. You could sit out here, it's wonderful. So I'd like to show you the kitchen too. And notice the details. This apartment, really, that's what I was really struck by, is the detail of the work. And this is all like bespoke, made to measure. You can see the quality, just to the drawers is really very nice. We've got plenty of storage area here. Nice new appliances, new dishwasher. This is a Frankie sink, I love it. And here too, you've got some very nice detail faucets. Everything is brand new. And here you've got also like a nice electric stove. This apartment is full of amazing features, such as this one, this niche, which is lit. I really like that. And then you have also the elevator door, which is painted. It's like a piece of art, super nice. And going to the bedrooms, you'll appreciate in the master bedroom, a very nice, it's like a wooden Indian door. It looks pretty amazing. So here we're in the primary, in the master bedroom, and it's a really nice size, and it's got a beautiful terrace.
In the same area with the master bedroom, we have two additional bedrooms, one pretty large and a smaller one that could be a third bedroom or an office then. And also a very nice laundry room that kind of made me feel this is almost a single family home. You have a large master.
It has everything.
It has everything that a single family home has, and the fact that it's only 10 units in the building with the private elevator, it makes it almost
and the two parking spaces.
Downsize kind of like unit.
Absolutely. And the master bathroom has also fabulous details. I love the faucet, did you notice?
Yeah,
I mean, it's
beautiful.
really great quality. I looked it up, fabulous quality materials. And also, it's got a very nice closet. It's just a great space.
And the most important highlights is the fact that we are in the Biscayne Bay. You have this wraparound, very spacious balcony. You can enjoy your coffee in the morning, looking at the sunrise. And the best of the best is the price.
Absolutely. $1,580,000.
Give us a call. We'll be happy to show it to you and make this property home for you.